very warm welcome to Cop Lane Church of England Primary School. I'm Ian Ashmore, the head teacher, and I hope this video tour will give you a flavour for our school. I have had the privilege of leading this high-performing school since 2018. I am immensely proud of our children and the hard work and dedication of the staff. We pride ourselves at Cop Lane on being a school that values the long-held ideals of hard work, politeness, care for others and being part of a team. We uphold these values whilst also recognising the need to prepare our children for the demands of being a full and active member of our ever-changing society, able to embrace all the technological developments that this entails. Visitors and parents to Cop Lane tell us regularly that they love the family and welcoming feel of the school.
School mission statement is a welcoming Christian community committed to one another, giving our very best at all times. Our distinctive Christian vision reflects our high expectations and commitment that every child in school flourishes. One of the many comments we receive from visitors, parents and when our school children go out of school on visits is how well-mannered and well-behaved they are. Our high standards of behaviour were recognised again in April 2019 when we were re-accredited for our Behaviour Quality Mark Gold.
Cop Lane is a church school. The Christian faith and collective worship are at the heart of what we do. I'm Reverend Chris Nelson, the Vicar of Penwortham St Mary's, and I'm a frequent visitor to school and I lead worship on a regular basis. Our junior children visit St Mary's once a term for a Ministry of the Word service. Our core Christian values of trust, hope, forgiveness, service, thankfulness, peace and hope are at the heart of our worship cycle. Each of these values is a focus each half term. Our large hall is where collective worship takes place. In ordinary times, on a Friday, parents are invited to join us if their child has been awarded Superstar Award. Can you imagine? He went straight away without even thinking about it. Yeah, I'll follow you. That's amazing. The amazing thing is that he left everything behind to follow Jesus.
I like it when we listen to stories and when we sing hymns.
I like it when we look if worship is fitting into the New and the Old Testament.
I like it when we're all together and we can see each other and we learn about Jesus and what he's done.
I like it when we go to church with everyone and then we learn about the stories of Jesus.
I like it when Reverend Nelson leads us in worship.
Our early years team provide our children with a calm, stimulating learning environment, which provides a really strong base on which to build their primary education.
I like cars, I like boats, I like water and I like playing with my friends.
I like everything.
I like playing with the sand and my brother and my friend, and I like everything.
I like playing with the fossils and the boats and my friends.
Our own high-quality curriculum provides the children with a range of learning experiences across all subjects. We are a growth mindset school and strive for our children to be resilient, confident learners that aren't afraid to have a go even when learning might be tricky. We fully utilise the outdoor spaces around school to support learning. We have an extensive field at the back of the school that is used for PE, sport and curriculum work. The children also play on the field, particularly in the summer months when the weather is fine. Our active learning zone is used by Year 1 and Year 2 to support their learning and continuous provision. It is used regularly within the curriculum and all kinds of learning from maths to phonics take place in it.
We have recently had a football zone and daily mouth track installed on the junior playground. This means that the children can play football even when we can't get out on the field. Our outdoor worship area mosaic panels were made by everyone in the school. And in May 2021, the Bishop of Burnley came to bless it. Educational visits, visitors and enrichment day events are used regularly to further enhance learning in different subject areas. As a result, our children enjoy coming to school and have a genuine love of learning.
I really like reading, and my two favourite books are Rainbow Grey by Laura Ellen Anderson and Boy at the Back of the Class, which we read in Year 4 and we all enjoyed.
My favourite subject is maths, and I really like addition and subtraction, and I like working with my friends as a team.
I really enjoy doing outdoor sports and being with my friends and doing outdoor activities. My highlight is that in Year 2, when we had the farm topic, we went to Old Holly Farm. We saw llamas and the farmer told us all of the names of the donkeys and the horses. They were all really funny.
We currently buy into Lancashire's music service and our Year 5 children learn the ukulele for the year. It's great to see how they progress over the course of the year. As part of the offer, parents of children in all year groups can also pay for lessons in a range of instruments. We also offer extracurricular clubs across a range of subjects, for example the choir, problem solving club, coding club, recorders and more recently a virtual Indian cookery class.
Our extensive library is used regularly and has a range of books for us to choose from. At our school, the children and staff love to read and enjoy sharing the books we've read. We have just upgraded our fully equipped IT suite and also a brand new full class set of iPads. We use our iPads regularly in all classes to complement learning.
At Cop Lane, sport and PE are an extremely important part of the curriculum. Our curriculum is enriched with specialist sports coaches, delivering a range of sports and initiatives such as Bikeability, which teaches our Year 6 children how to ride a bike safely on the roads. The school has been awarded the School Games Gold Award for several years now. We run a variety of sporting clubs such as fencing, orienteering, jiu-jitsu and rugby, as well as taking part in inter-school competitions. Groups in Key Stage 2 access swimming lessons at Penwortham Leisure Centre. In the summer of 2019, we were awarded South Ribble Borough Council's Primary School of the Year for Sport.
Our staff team are dedicated to the children in their care, ensuring they get the very best education. All staff benefit from regular, high-quality CPD as part of the school's drive for continuous improvement. The school is recognised for its excellent practice and often hosts other schools to share this.
Parents are supported at all stages of their child's school career. We hold information events regularly to help support parents. For example, we recently held a virtual online safety information event to support parents with keeping their children safe on devices at home. The school has an active PTFA and anyone is welcome to attend or help out. They organise events to fundraise for the school, to further enrich our curriculum or purchase additional resources. For example, the PTFA funded a storyteller to work with the whole school.
The school has a strong and effective governing board who know the school well. Governors visit the school and help out regularly where they can. As well as having governors linked to areas of school improvement, each class is assigned a class governor. This means that the children get to know the governors and vice versa.
I hope this has given you a flavour for Cop Lane and what it has to offer. Our website has lots of additional information on it, as well as our prospectus. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with Mrs Bradley in the school office.